Hey everyone, it's Jamie here from Ecom Masterclass, and in this video I'll be going over Shopify warranty apps. The top 4 apps here, we can offer warranties to your customers when they're purchasing on things such as shipping. This is going to give your customers peace of mind, but also add a revenue opportunity for your store as you can increase the average order value. So for these top apps here, I'll be going over their features, their pricing, as well as their reviews. So make sure you stay until the end of the video here. Before I dive into it, I want to thank our sponsor ProfitCalc, the one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. It's going to allow you to skip your spreadsheets with detailed profit calculations and a variety of different metrics here so you can understand how your store is truly performing. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking at to get real-time calculations. There's a link in the description to access a 15-day free trial so you can check things out for yourself. Now I'm going to show a quick promo video.
Are you a Shopify business owner who spends hours doing your accounting? Have messy spreadsheets kept you from growing your business? Discover ProfitCalc, the affordable and easy to set up Shopify app that crunches your numbers in just one click. It automatically syncs with all your accounts and expenses to calculate your profit, displaying everything in an easy to read dashboard so you understand your business in real time. Start for free on the Shopify App Store today.
Let's dive into our first warranty app today, and that's going to be Navidium Shipping Protection. So you can ditch shipping insurance apps and manage your own shipping protection program in-house as an upsell. You can self-protect against theft, lost, or damaged deliveries. So it's built by merchants for merchants. And it's a fully customizable platform for you to collect and upsell shipping protection to customers in cart or checkout. The checkout's only available to Shopify Plus merchants. This allows you to do it seamlessly without impacting site speed, offset the cost of lost, damaged, or stolen deliveries, and profit what is left each month when the claims are low. So you can get a nice dashboard here showing metrics such as additional revenue and protected orders. In terms of pricing, it's free to install for up to 50 orders a month, and it's going to go up in price depending on the number of orders. This app has a perfect 5-star rating with 128 5-star reviews. This review here said this is the best app they ever got. Their clients feel more protected, it generates more revenue, and they can refund parcels without being out of pocket, and the customer service is 10 out of 10. So a stellar review there. Next, let's take a look at shipping protection and warranty. It could be a very similar app here, making it easy for customers to add this to their checkout experience, and it makes them easy to fill out a claim here so they can find their order, see the information, and then describe the issue. In terms of pricing, it's a flat $24.99 a month with a 14-day free trial and 135 reviews here with 130 5-star reviews. Next, let's take a look at Simply Shipping Protection. It's a platform that helps businesses manage claims easily and make extra revenue through custom insurance. So it allows for auto fulfillment insurance settings, effortless widget integration, different themes and cards are supported, and it also supports the Shopify Plus checkout experience. So it allows merchants to provide their own insurance without the involvement of a third party, and it benefits both merchants and customers by ensuring the safe delivery of a product. In terms of pricing, they have a free plan with up to 50 insured orders per month, and it starts to move up to the limit of 1,000 orders a month for $49.99 a month. It has great reviews here with a 4.9 star rating and 89 5-star reviews. Lastly, let's take a look at Ship Protection. It's another easy way to offer shipping protection for your customers at the checkout process. You can see here their logo will be at the bottom, and the customer can add this to their store here, or the customer can add it during the purchase experience. This app is going to have a different pricing plan here, so it's going to be usage billing. Rather than charging you a monthly fee, they're going to charge based on revenue generated from shipping protection. In terms of reviews, it has a perfect 5 stars with 25 5-star reviews. So this is going to conclude the video here on the top Shopify warranty apps, all covering shipping protection for your customers. Overall, it's a great way to give customers peace of mind and protect their products while also generating excess revenue, depending if your insurance revenue is over your claim revenue or claim costs, but a great thing to offer to customers. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I want to mention ProfitCalc one more time, the one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. It comes with a 15-day free trial, and there's a link in the description below. So this concludes the video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next one.